Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how to convert this bunk back down into a rest for the back of this seat. So you just take out all these cushions at the back. Just the three. Take out this pole. You take off your top cushions. I'm out of the way for the minute. So this actually flips out, and you've got magnets on the side of these to hold these in. You push that down and you swing that one around. So push that one down, swing that one down, that sits there, then you put your cushions back in. Okay, so once it's all done, it's all folded down, all your cushions are back in its place. Your bed cushions can just stay up here, and then basically you've got all that bunk out of the way and your sitting area back to normal. Thanks guys.